Did you know that 75% of resumes never make it through the Applicant Tracking System, or the ATS for short? That's why most career coaches recommend tailoring your resume for every job application. Some job seekers might ask, is that really necessary? But the simple answer is yes. iHire's Resume Builder makes it super easy to optimize your resume in just a few clicks, so you'll be one of the 25% of candidates who make it through that applicant tracking system. For premium members, our iScore resume match is a vital resource in your job search because it mimics an applicant tracking system that many hiring managers use to scan and narrow their applicant pool. iScore compares the keywords in your resume to the keywords in the job posting and calculates a score. As a premium member, you'll see a resume match score on every job. Basic members get to test out the iScore tool on a limited basis. To use iMatch, choose the resume you wish to score. Click the score and you'll see the skills and knowledge required for this position. Red check marks mean the skill isn't recognized on your resume, and green check marks means it is. Be sure to take a look at all of the skills tabs. You can always upload and score another resume if you wish. To optimize a resume you've created with our Resume Builder, click Optimize Resume. Remember, the Optimizer option is only given on resumes generated with our Resume Builder. If you have the experience, click the skills that you'd like added to your resume. You'll see the skills added to the right side of the screen. The iScore changed from 80% to 100%, and you can see the newly added skills below the summary section of the resume in the Key Skills area. This resume should get through the applicant tracking system and to the hiring manager's desk. Be sure to save the resume. I recommend using your name and the name of the company or the job title. And now you're ready to apply. To understand more about how applicant tracking systems work, or if you need more help with your resume, check out our articles and on-demand webinars in our resource center, or schedule a time with one of our resume analysts. We are here to help.